Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Of course, hindi ko makukuha lahat ng energy ng Earth sign sa mundo. And let's start reading Earth sign. By the way, medyo hindi ako nakapag-upload ng mga nakaraan kasi inuuna ko po yung mga naka-line up na nagpapa-schedule ng personal reading sa akin. If you want, pwede ka magpa-personal reading kay yung sa tarot reading guys, meron akong friend, siya ang nakafocus sa sa tarot reading and sa kanya kayo pwede magpa-inquire or Jing Tarot Reader pagdating sa usaping tarot. Ako po astrological reading ang available sa akin at ang kasama niya tarot advice. Okay, may kasama pa rin naman tarot. Promo 'yun guys hanggang August, end of August lang ha. Inquire ka na lang virgophilippines@gmail.com. Ayan, i-email mo ko dyan. And naka-promo siya 1,500 hanggang end of August lang. Either mas mahal na siya sa susunod or hindi na siya maging available. Depende sa schedule ko. Yan. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam masyado akong busy tao, marami akong negosyo. So, dahil sa epekto ng Mercury retrograde sa akin ngayon, medyo na iba ang aking schedule. So, ito yung time na mapapagbigyan ko yung ibang gustong magpa-reading. Trust is at the bottom of the deck. This is love reading, guys. Ayan, nakakita tayo dito ng person who really wants to talk to you. Gusto kanya makausap. This person has a lot of emotions para sa'yo. You do have your trust. So, nakikita natin ang matinding pagtitiwala mo or itong taong ito sa'yo. Pwedeng nagtitiwala siya sa'yo. I just heard the word travel. So, pwedeng may pagkakalayo or maybe something to do sa pagta-travel sa connection ninyo. Maybe this person is currently traveling or ikaw ito. Or may pagkakalayo sa connection ninyo. But I feel like you do have your love yourself. So, nagpo-focus ka sa iyong sarili, sa pagmamahal mo sa iyong sarili. And I feel like yung iba sa inyo pwede may connection or communication na. Pero there's something na parang gustong pag-usapan or sabihin nitong person na to. Maybe, tell me about this. Yeah, this could be, you do have your past life relationship and romantic feelings. This could be an ex or a person na pwedeng nakakaramdam ng matinding pagmamahal sa iyo. You do have your ex. So, maybe you have tried to release this person in the past or nilayuan mo na siya or kinalimutan mo na siya or maybe this is a person in the past wherein during this time pwedeng nagkakaroon ng reconciliation or paparating gustong magkaroon ng reconciliation itong taong ito ngayon. Okay? And yung iba pwedeng meron ng nagiging reconciliation kasi nakakita tayo na pag-uusap para dun sa iba or nag-uusap pa lang or papunta pa lang sa mag-uusap pa lang. Okay, especially ayan, nagkakaroon tayo ng Saturn retrograde. Mag-e-end siya hanggang November 15 yan. Saturn retrograde, Neptune retrograde, nasa sign ng Pisces. So, especially yung mga spiritual person, spiritual people in your life, pwedeng dumating during this time. Kasi Pisces is a very spiritual planet. Spiritual sign. And because yung Saturn retrograde and Neptune retrograde, it's nangyayari ngayon doon. Maybe there's a lot of spiritual person na in the past ang pwedeng bumalik ngayon. Saturn retrograde, Neptune retrograde, Mercury retrograde, ayan, lahat yan. So, pwedeng magkaroon ng communication or conversation with the people in the past, spiritually connected. And with the Chiron retrograde, nagkakaroon din ng Chiron retrograde ngayon. And Pluto is having retrograde in the sign of Capricorn. So, ang daming retrograde ngayon, nagkakasabay-sabay, ano? So, a lot of people in the past are coming back. And with the Chiron retrograde, maaaring natutunan na nila yung mga lessons na kailangan nila matutunan sa buhay nila. Kaya, sila babalik. Like, maybe, there's a separation kasi may mga bagay silang kailangan matutunan muna. And during this time, natutunan na nila yung mga lesson na yan. So, babalik sila to make some kind of action. To, wala na ako nakikitang doubt pagdating sa connection, especially spiritually if you are dealing with someone in the past na may spiritual connection kayo. Tell me about the emotion of this person towards you. You do have here worry. So, yeah, pwedeng this person is nag-aalala siya sa'yo with regards to you, with your health. I don't know, the health here, it's color green. It's showing to me as money. So, yung iba sa inyo, maybe nag-aalala siya sa'yo or nag-aalala siya with regards to your money. And you do have here blame. So, maybe there's a lot of people with regards sa connection niya na parang gusto niyang sisihin kung bakit nagkakaganyan ka. Bakit ka pinabayaan? Bakit ka nagkakaganyan? Bakit ito yung mga parang nasa isip niya na parang napaka-intense na gusto niya sabihin eh. Parang feeling niya yung mga tao sa paligid mo, napaka-selfish. Bakit kaya nila ginaganyan? Kasi kung ako, hindi kita gaganyanin. Parang may ganong klaseng, especially if it has something to do with usaping pera, maybe your boss, maybe nakikita niya yung situation mo with your career, with your boss, so, or with your partner in life, maybe may kinalaman sa mga assets or money mo. So, yung person na to gusto niyang, bakit ka ginaganyan? Bakit ginagamit nila yung power nila over you? Bakit? Parang ang dami niyang question, but ang feeling is that itong person na to is ayaw niya na ginaganyan ka nila. Whoever these people na parang nagiging involved sa'yo financially or mga taong nagiging involved sa'yo with regards to um, mga pangyayari ngayon sa buhay mo na pwedeng nakaka-affect sa work mo, career mo, or mentality mo. And maybe with regards to your home, no, na parang itong person to, gusto kitang tulungan eh. Gusto ko kitang tulungan na maayos yung, um, maybe yung finances mo, yung buhay mo, yung um, magkaroon ng mas maging proper na pangangalaga or maayos na buhay para sa'yo. You don't deserve that. Parang ganun. People, you don't deserve that situation. Parang I'm here to help you para makaalis ka dyan sa energy na yan or for you to forget about this stress na kinakaharap mo ngayon. I don't know, I'm feeling a lot of emotional energy right now. So, some of you habang nakikinig ka, maybe you're crying or naiiyak ka sa mga naririnig mo kasi maybe naaawa ka din sa sarili mo and alam mo itong person na to is naaawa sa'yo or maybe hindi mo alam na naaawa siya pero dahil nasabi ko sa'yo, maybe nagkakaroon ka ng clarity na kaya pala siya ganun na tumutulong sa akin or kinakausap ako kasi naawa siya. And maybe some of you, may mga tao sa buhay mo na pwedeng bumalik sila to help you heal from the situation na pwedeng nangyari sa'yo, pwedeng may mga bagay na nawala sa'yo. You're currently, taking power. And these people or this particular person, gusto niya rin na matulungan ka and maybe this person's purpose sa buhay mo is to help you. Okay, you do have your service at the bottom of the deck. Yeah, gusto ka niyang tulungan. Gusto ka niyang tulungan. Ano ang gusto niyang mangyari sa connection na ito? Anong gusto niyang sabihin? Anong gusto niyang gawin? Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of earth sign. All of a sudden, kanina parang naiiyak ako ngayon. Parang ang energy is pagod. So, I don't know if you're currently tired or yan, nandun yung question nito ng person nito, bakit? Hangman is at the bottom, Hangman is here and nakukuha ko yung energy ng reversal. Actually, kinukuha ko lang ang card ng reversal if I just feel the card should be read in reverse and naramdaman natin yan. You do have here, dinadaan ko lang sa tawa pero ang totoo, nasasaktan ako. You do have here soul tribe. This could be your soulmate. You do have here the sun and biro lang. So, pwedeng itong person na to is somehow pwedeng makipag-connect or communicate sa'yo kasi gusto niyang pasayahin ka. Hindi mo deserve na umiyak, hindi mo deserve na ma-stress, hindi mo deserve na mamroblema and mapagod. Like, this person wants to, give you all the happiness and strength that you need. Parang, maybe siya yung nagpapalakas ng loob mo or maybe this person is here to make you laugh, to heal you. And, nakikita natin na pwedeng whatever disconnection na nangyayari in the past is that pwedeng itong person na 'to ayoko na munang makipag-disconnect sa'yo. Gusto ko muna ng connection because this is the time na nararamdaman kong kailangan mo ko. So, I want to use this time para maybe makita kita, makausap kita, masabi ko sa'yo yung mga bagay mong dapat marinig and malaman. And, this person is I feel like marami siyang itatanong sa'yo or gustong itanong sa'yo. Anong emotion niya towards you? For the sign of earth sign, please. You do have here, hindi ako makapaniwala. And you do have your hermit and game over. You do have your the end. And yin and yang is here, and this is showing as a balance energy. Hindi ako masyadong nagbabasa ng card na naka length or nakahiga na ganito, but I feel like the energy is like this. Actually this is I just saw the sign of Cancer, so maybe meron siyang Cancer sa kanyang chart. And I don't know, Pisces. No, so Cancer and Pisces is here. And also, this is showing to me as like a balanced energy sa inyong dalawa. So, pwedeng emotions niya para sa'yo is like kung ano rin ang nararamdaman mo towards this person. So, ikaw ang dapat mong tanongin ang sarili mo, ano ba nararamdaman mo para sa kanya. If you do love this person also do loves you. Okay? Kung wala kang pakialam sa kanya, wala din siya pakialam sa'yo ngayon. But, no, for what I can see here, I feel like there's a spiritual connection, there's a high chance na may emotions ka para sa kanya. You do have your game over, so whatever happened in the past, tapos na yon. Kung ano man yung nangyari in the past with regards sa connection ninyo, maybe a lot of like paulit-ulit na pangyayari na hindi maganda sa connection na ito. Maybe it's pretty intense that time, pero nakikita natin na it's going to end, and soon it will end. And kung ano yung emotion niya para sa'yo, you do have your hindi ako makapaniwala. Maybe this person is hindi siya makapaniwala regarding sa mga bagay na nararamdaman niya towards you. And with the Hermit, this is Virgo energy, pero ngayon naliwanagan na siya sa kung ano itong mga bagay na pwedeng dinenay niya sa sarili niya. Okay. So, insecurities is here, pero a lot of arrows is nakikita natin. So, maybe pwedeng itong person na ito wants you to feel secure in a way, or mabigyan ka ng security. So, ayun yung mga messages for you. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, naka-relate kayo, naka-resonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Please do comment down below. Kahit po heart lang, malaking bagay sa akin yon. Smileys, malaking bagay sa akin yan. Salamat po. If you want to book a personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader, or mag-inquire ko doon sa aking Gmail kung gusto mong magpa-astrological reading. Dalawa yun, guys. You could either choose career reading or love. Ayan, 1,500 kung alin doon ang ipipiliin mo. But if you want to, focus, kasi magbibigay, halimbawa sinabi mong career, magbibigay rin naman ako ng konting message about love. But if you want to focus sa career and or love, ayan, pareho. May separate video ako na gagawin, like dalawang video ang isasend ko sa'yo. And may additional pa yon, palm reading if you want. Or if you want na mag-focus ako talaga sa love and whatever, basta mag-inquire ka na lang doon sa Gmail. Okay. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.